Welcome friends. Today we are going to discuss about lesson number 1, input output devices. Okay, so what is known as input device? The device through which we can enter data and instructions are called input devices. Now, some common used input devices are, that is called keyboard, mouse, scanner, barcode reader, light pen, digital camera, web camera, microphone, touchpad, touchscreen. Okay. Now, these are the points. Here I have mentioned some functions of different input devices. Now I am going to elaborate each input devices so that you can better understand and you can get some idea about different input devices. Let us start. First one, what is keyboard? A keyboard is used to type data and instructions into the computer. The commonly used keyboard has 104 keys which can be divided into many groups based on their functions. Second one, what is called mouse? A mouse is a small pointing device with 2 or 3 buttons on its top. As we move the mouse, the pointer also moves in the same direction. So, next coming to point number 3, what is called scanner. It is a device that reads text or pictures printed on a paper and translates the information into a form that a computer understands. Next coming to what do you mean by barcode reader. A barcode reader is an input device to read printed barcodes. A barcode is a series of black lines of different thickness with white spaces between them. Next, coming to light pen. What do you mean by light pen? A light pen is a pen-like pointing device. It is used to select objects on the display screen. What do you mean by digital camera? As all of you know that what is digital camera we are using in our day-to-day life. A digital camera is used to take photographs and record videos, and generally photos and videos taken with a digital camera are stored in a memory chip inside the camera. Next coming to what is web camera. A web camera is a device connected to the computer for capturing still images and live videos. It is primarily used for video telephony on the internet. Next, point number 8, what is microphone? A microphone is an input device which is used to record voice, music and sound into the computer system. Next, coming to point number 9, touchpad. Touchpad is used on the laptop computers instead of mouse. It is a touch sensitive pad. Next, last but not the least, what do you mean by touch screen? A touch screen is a computer screen which is sensitive to the touch. Some examples of the touch screens are tablets, laptops, ATM, cell phone, etc. So, dear friends, these are the input devices today we are discussed. So, I hope you understand, and in the next slides, I am going to discuss about some output devices. Thank you.
Okay, dear friends, now we are going to discuss about output devices. So, when we applied input into a computer, that can be processed by the processor and gives the desired output, that is called output devices. Now, there are some certain examples of output devices are monitor, printer and speaker. Then we should discuss about what is monitor. Monitor is nothing but the most common output device is the monitor. There are 3 types of monitors are there. They are CRT monitors, that is cathode ray tube monitors, LCD monitors, then liquid crystal display you can call as, and light emitting diode monitors, that is LED monitors. Now what is CRT? CRT is nothing but less expensive but more electricity. It consumes less expensive but more electricity. What is LCD monitor? LCD monitor is nothing but it is much thinner and lighter and consume less electricity. But LED monitor is the better picture quality. So nowadays we are using LED monitor. Next, discuss about speaker. As all of you are more aware of speaker, what is the function of speaker? Everybody knows that. Okay. Next, we should discuss about what is printer. It is an output device. It prints the output onto a paper. The printed output is called hard copy. Generally, there are three types of printers are there. They are dot matrix printer, inkjet printer, and last one that is called laser printer. So the use of dot matrix printer, it works like a typewriter, and the inkjet printer, it sprays the droplets of ink on a paper to form text and graphics. Then the last one is laser printer, uses larger becomes and dry ink to print. Then CPU, that is called central processing unit. As you know, in our human body, brain plays an important role to do all kind of activities. Similarly, CPU, that is called central processing unit, is the brain of a computer, where it processes and stores the information, performs calculations, and sends the result to the output devices. It is of three types, that is three parts. They are called memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit, that is called ALU, and the third one is control unit. Then what is the function of the memory unit? It stores information, that is temporarily or permanently according to our requirement. Then what is ALU? ALU performs all arithmetic calculations and logical operations. The last one, that is called control unit, it's supervising all the operations.